Hi, my name is Victoria Calvin with Splish and Splash Mobile Pet Spa in Miami, Florida. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to wash a dog's paws. I like to use an oatmeal baking soda shampoo. This will help eliminate odors. If you ever grab your dog's paw and hold it up close to your nose, you'll notice it smells a bit like feet. So I like to make sure we get that odor out. Get a little bit of shampoo in the palm of your hand and gently lift up your doggy's paw. You're going to apply the shampoo and make sure you get it well in between. Open their paws up with your hand and gently massage the shampoo in between every toe, making sure that you get out all the dirt and little pieces of debris that they find a way to stick to their feet. After that, you want to wash the upside of their paw by their nail. Make sure you don't squeeze too much because it will be uncomfortable, and make sure that you don't lift the arm out too far to the side, as that's also uncomfortable. Keep it at a nice position. You'll feel that your dog will stop resisting, and just scrub through. You're going to repeat this process on each one of their paws until they're all nice and clean. For their back paws, put one hand underneath and hold their leg just like this. This way you have control, and even if they pull, they won't be able to get out of your hand. Scrub the shampoo through, just like you did on the front paws. And that's it. When you're done, you're going to rinse their feet. Make sure you get all the shampoo out so it does not cause any dryness or itching in between their paws. Once again, thank you for watching. This has been Victoria Calvin.